me and Jesse are out the bush again, going to go try and find his tool bag. I'll leave the GoPro on and just see what happens. Okie dokie, let's go. No success yet. Keep going and see what we can find. Alright, on to the next section, see if we can find it.
Take a guess and say someone probably found
it. I'd say so. Well, we got stuck in a storm. I think you might have seen that lightning hit that tree just in front of me. So I pulled into the Dunnies here at Pine Creek Community Hall. I thought Jesse would have seen me. I pulled up behind the Dunnies and I saw him riding up the bloody roadway and keep going. turned my bike off, of course, and then I tried to turn it back on and start it. She didn't want to start. Does that sometimes. So he's long gone, but I hope he's okay. Just waiting for the lightning to settle down a bit and I'll try the bike again. Sometimes it gets a bit flooded if you just puddle along too much on it. So I'll try it again in a minute and risk the weather. Try and catch Jesse. Just hope he's okay. Some nasty lightning out here. Ooh. Well, I'll turn this off for a second, try and start my bike. Put my goggles on. Hopefully get going and find Jesse. Right. Got the rain settling down a bit. Hope that's the worst of it gone. Soggy gloves. Away we go. I thought you would have seen me. I pulled up in the hole beyond the dunny.
Behind the dunny?
Yeah, I saw you in my rear vision mirror along that straight. Yeah. And then I went straight across the hole, went behind the dunny looking for you, then I seen you go up the road.
Yeah, I went past, but I thought you'd stop at the hole, but I couldn't see you.
Yeah, when we pulled up before.
Yeah.
And I turned my bike off as soon as I stopped, and when you went up there I tried to start it, it wouldn't bloody start, you know, when you kick. The lightning and shit, I thought I just had to let it sit for 5 minutes like I usually do and then try and catch up with you. Yeah. Did you make it back to the car?
That?
Did you make it back to the car?
Yeah, because I was sitting there thinking, well, I didn't see you when I went past, so I was trying to go back and check, make sure you didn't fall off the floor.
Well, I wouldn't get that far ahead of you that I wouldn't stop sort of thing, so.
Yeah.
But anyway, I was worried about you with all that lightning and shit.
When I went to the car, I was looking usually you leave signs that stop there.
Yeah.
I was sitting there like, oh, shit.
Oh well. Just on the way to the hall, there's that paddock, all the trees, last set of trees. Lightning bolt straight down, boom, right in front of me. I think I got on the GoPro.
When you were ahead of me as we were going to the hole, I saw that big one come down.
Yeah.
So I quickly grabbed one and put it on.
Yeah. right slippery back there. Well, Jesse's okay, I'm okay. Time to go home, didn't find his bag. Alright, see you next time.